This video will show you how to remove and clean the spray arms in your Smeg dishwasher. If you use your dishwasher every day, we recommend that you check and clean the spray arms once a week. The spray arms can be easily removed from the upper basket and in the base of the dishwasher to prevent possible blockages. Depending on your model of dishwasher, remove the upper spray arm by unscrewing the locking ring by turning anti-clockwise. Or detach the spray arm from the basket by pressing the spray arm upwards and at the same time turning anti-clockwise. Some models have a static spray arm where it may be necessary to clean in situ. Use a small utensil such as a cocktail stick to clean the spray jets. To remove the lower spray arm, simply lift up, pulling the central component. If your dishwasher has the orbital wash system, take hold of the longer arm and pull the orbital unit upwards. For those dishwashers featuring the planetarium system, pull the spray arm upwards, bringing both the spray arm and the planetarium disc out together. Wash the spray arms under running water and check the jets for blockages. Then replace back into the dishwasher by reversing the way they were removed. It's good practice before starting a dishwasher cycle to check that the spray arms spin freely. If a plate or item of crockery is impeding the spray arm, it's likely to result in a poor wash performance. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.